I'm going to give you an hour, so you can tell me why you're lying to me, so you can look me straight in the eyes and confess what you feel. My heart is in a garbage dump, my box for storing dirt. It's a temple of sincere love that you desecrate with falsehood. Here we don't play with affection, nor negotiate with dignity. He who truly loves doesn't betray, and you who never knew how to love, go away and don't come back. I don't want to cry. You only want me as a pastime, like a toy of your vanity, and then you swear in front of everyone that not even my name you want to remember. Leave now, don't waste a minute, walk far away with your hypocrisy. I am not the tomb of your lies, nor the burial place of your falsehoods. Here we don't play with affection, nor negotiate with dignity. He who truly loves does not betray, and you